Today we're going to practice adding 10 or 100 to two numbers. Some are 2-digit, some are 3-digit. In order to do 10 or 100, we just have to mentally think about how we can do that. We don't have to add with regrouping. We don't have to do it on paper and pencil. We can look and see and mentally do that. So think about your hundreds chart, and if you have your hundreds chart still from your math folder, you can get that out, and that can help you a little bit with the tens. But if we look at the top here, 215, and I'm adding 100 more. Well, if I'm adding 100, I'm going to look at my digit in the hundreds place. What digit is in the hundreds place? 2. So 2 and 1 more is 3, which would make 300s. And then the rest of my number stays the same. 215 plus 100 equals 315. Same thing when we are doing the tens. 250 plus 10. Well, if I look at 50 and 10 more would be 60, 260. We did this with some of our math talks. We did this when we were adding 2-digit numbers. Mentally think about it. Are you adding 100? Look at your hundreds place. Are you adding 10? Look at your tens place. So let's look at number 1. 450 plus 100. What digit am I going to look at? You are going to look at the hundreds digit, which is the 4. 4 and 1 more equals 5, and then the rest stays the same, 550. Let's look at number, 50. Look at number 2, 630 plus 10. If we're adding 10, we're going to look at the tens digit, which is the 3. 3 and 1 more is 4. Everything else stays the same, 640. Go through and do this page and this page, and then work on some story problems. 448 birds are in the park. 100 more birds fly into the park. Look at this number. What is 100 more? We're going to look at the 100ths digit. 4, 1 more would be 5. 548. Take a picture of your completed work and put it into or upload it into the daily check-in.